Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials: app installed, microphone access allowed, and a reliable headset connected. Once done, open the voice changer and pick a preset. This gives you a baseline to tweak. Make sure to set input gain low enough to avoid clipping, yet loud enough so algorithms detect speech. Otherwise, effects will distort. You'll also enable call integration or select the dialer in the app, so the system routes audio through the changer before a call begins. Next, you refine the voice, tweak pitch and form it to shape timbre, then add EQ to remove muddiness. Because real calls compress audio, make small adjustments and test after each change. This prevents overshooting and keeps clarity. Once satisfied, go to routing settings and assign the app as the default mic for calls, or use virtual audio cable routing if required. Finally, perform a live test call or loopback to ensure the altered voice transmits clearly under call codecs and latency constraints. To finish, save the voice profile and name it so you can recall settings quickly. Once active, monitor a real conversation for latency, clipping, or unnatural artifacts. If issues arise, lower effect intensity and enable noise suppression to restore intelligibility. Make sure to restart the app and confirm call permissions if routing fails, and try a wired headset to reduce Bluetooth lag. One reliable troubleshooting tip: disable one effect at a time to isolate which parameter causes distortion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.